Alright. Um, I thought I would do some a follow up for my video from the last video that I uploaded, and now my button is kind of working. I managed to make some changes to the code, and as you can see, when I click on it, it kind of works, and I can add a new items to my apps. So far the app is looking good, but I ran into some issues, and one of the main issue was the Google platform, how to integrate the app with the backend services. And I plan to use like Google Cloud Services. I have like 300 credits with them, and I was looking for a way to burn down cash. So I think making this app is kind of like I don't know, eating a little bit on that. So far the app is looking great, like I said. And okay, the problem that I ran into was the like Firebase and Google Cloud Services. They just like, I don't know. Still now it's still a little bit confusing. It's like Google Cloud storage and Firebase storage. I didn't know there was kind of like a different platform, but they kind of like still together. But I created buckets in the Google Cloud storage, and then I thought I could like use the Firebase storage SDK and then try to upload file into it from my code. But when I did it, it didn't show up on there, and I was like, "What the heck is going on?" At first, it didn't work. It's like it say it couldn't create like the URL into the bucket, so I had to go back to the Firebase platform. That's where my project was, and then try to create a new story from there, and then connect it to my app. That's how I was able to do it. And then let me show you a quick overview of how it works. So I'm going to add some DOM data here, and let's say the name is water, and then description uh, water to drink something, I don't know. Just DOM data. Okay, water to drink, yeah. And then we're going to choose an image here. This is the simulator, so we don't have a lot of image on there since it's not my phone. So we're gonna choose okay, we said water, right? But doesn't matter, we'll choose this one anyway. It kind of doesn't align, right? So let me just save it, and then when we save it, it's already in the database. If I try to rerun this app, it's gonna show up. So let me try to rerun it. It's gonna take a while. It's a little bit slow. I don't know. It's MacBook Pro, but I don't know why it's kind of slow. It's good anyway. So it's gonna take some time. But you have to be a little bit patient. You know, show up. I'm using. Alright, couple more minutes. End up their success. So and couple more seconds. Okay, this is a lot of warning with a lot of let me show you. Close this for now. Alright. Okay, here it is. This is the latest item that we added to the project, to the database, I should say. And here you can see the water to drink, and that kind of show up pretty nicely. And there's still a lot to do on this app, like how we can edit the items so that we add it to these systems. Right now, there's no way I can modify, change the image, or update the description or the name of the app. That's something I have to work on. Also, this is like this there's no image on that one. That was the the item that I added before connecting the system to the storage where I can store the image and all of those stuff. So this one doesn't have any image. It kind of look a little bit. I should remove it, but wait a little bit. Um, the next step on the app will be I'm going to update the system as soon as one image is added. If you recall from the last item added, when I add the items, it didn't show up. I had to rerun the app, and I don't want that. I want it to be like when I add the items, it have to show up. Just after that, I don't have to rerun the app. That's how it should be in production. So that will be my next step. Regarding the AI tool code generating, it's quite helpful if you know what you're doing, but if you don't, then it's gonna be really hard because you're gonna have to waste a lot of time trying to figure out things and all of that. Like I said before, the Google platform and the cloud-based, Firebase, that was confusing. So I get some help from the AI tool, and its explanation, it kind of gives some hints, and some of them was still confusing, but it really helps. But those tools need more. They still need a lot of work before they can be really useful. They are useful, but I mean, we are human. We want perfection, and right now it's not. So you still need to know how to use it. If you don't, then I'm sorry for you. But they can really help go really fast if you really know what you're doing. At this point, I'm going to stop and make some updates later on, maybe before the end of the week or before next week. I don't know when that will be, but right now I'm going slow because I still have other things to work on, and yeah, so far it's pretty exciting, and I'm really looking forward to update you guys. Thanks.